Okay, good morning, all of you. Can you hear me? Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. All of you are missing school, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Even we miss the students. We want everything to be normal soon. Let's see कब तक normal होता है. How does Bill Magnuson describe the people of New Mullion to the lawyer? Uh, how does Bill Magnuson describe the people of New Mullion to the lawyer? Mimansa? Mimansa, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What did Bill Magnuson tell to the lawyer about the people of New Mullion? He described some of the people, like the minister's wife and the college boys. What did he tell about them? इसमें तो सारा 10G का ही 10D का 2 स्टूडेंट है. माला मैम was asking me about your attendance, so I'm going to give this is your attendance. 10D is the worst class. I don't know what they think about themselves. 2 students are there, Pinky Kumari and Ronak Kumar. और कौन कौन Okay, your parents have lot of money, they are paying the fee. Don't attend the classes. Who is at loss if you don't attend the class? Ronak, 10D, what is the reason why your classmates don't attend the class? Ronak, can you hear me? Hello? Okay. So, Mimansa? Sarika, can you answer? How does he describe the minister's wife? Sarika, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He
What did he
described the
tell the
people of
lawyer?
New Mullion.
हाँ बोलो.
He described the people of New Mullion very nicely. He told the lawyer about minister's wife, the boys who's coming from college in fancy dress, and the lawyer's wife. Many lawyers.
Yes. He told he told about the minister's wife that she sang the loudest when she was in debt. Means when she was in trouble, जब भी वो कर्ज में होती थी तो सबसे ज्यादा जोर से चर्च सॉन्ग गाती थी. Why? Because She wanted God to hear about her prayers. She wanted God to take her out of the trouble of debt. Debt means what, you know?
Curse.
Curse. Hmm? To return money to someone. So the Bill Magnuson described about the people of New Mullion to the lawyer, and he said that all the people of New Mullion, they are very simple hearted, straightforward people. And he told about the minister's wife who sang very loudly when she was in trouble, when she was in debt, and how the college boys, they like to wear very stylish fancy dresses. And then he described about the lawyer, so the lawyer who did not like to wear the tie and the collared shirt. So how much ever the wife tried, he could not make the lawyer wear the tie and the collar on the same day. Mm. So, and described Bill described all the people in such a way that he felt as if he knew everybody so well. हाँ, लॉयर को लगने लगा कि अपने शहर से ज्यादा जो है वो न्यू मुलियन के लोगों के बारे में जानते हैं। इतने अच्छे से बिल मैग्नुसन ने सबका वर्णन किया था। एंड हाउ डज बिल डिस्क्राइब Oliver's mother? Who will answer? How does Bill describe Oliver Lutkin's mother? Pritish Raman, can you hear me? Pritish? Ronak? Ronak, 10D, roll number 36. Ronak? Ronak, 10D, roll number 36. Okay, Sarika, answer. How does Bill describe?
Bill describe Oliver's mother, that she's very terror type of person, and she's a 13, 13 feet long, tall, and
9 feet tall.
uh,
Yes, she's a terror.
9 feet.
9 feet. Yes, Sarika, continue. Okay.
She's 13 feet long and 9 feet thick.
9 feet tall or 4 feet thick.
4 feet thick,
Yes.
and
Okay, Sarika. Yes. Uh, and
she's like a cat, big
yes,
cat.
she's very quick like a cat, very energetic. She is as quick as a cat. And he describes that once he had to bring a trunk uh, for Oliver's mother, and she just scolded him like anything for because she expected that he should treat the trunk like a box of eggs. Uh, so Nitin, Nitin, can you hear me? Nitin Sinha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Answer this question. How did Oliver's mother react when? How did Oliver's mother react when Bill said that they had come to search their house with the court orders? What did she do when she came to know that they are searching her son and her house because of the order of the court.
Ma'am, may I?
Let Nitin answer. Nitin, सोचो 2-3 मिनट और आंसर करो. You attended the class yesterday, Nitin?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why you didn't attend? Sneha Kumari. Sneha, can you answer? Sneha?
Ma'am, I don't know the answer.
You didn't attend the class yesterday? कल थी तुम क्लास में?
No, ma'am.
हाँ?
No, ma'am.
I can't hear you. And you? Okay. Who will answer? Sarika has answered 2 or 3 questions. I want someone else to answer. Ronak? Ronak, can you answer? Pinky Kumari, 10D. How did Oliver's mother react when she came to know that the lawyer had come with the court orders? What did she do? Mimamsa? Shikha, you want to answer?
Ma'am, I was absent yesterday.
Huh? Shikha Jha. How did Oliver's mother react when she came to know that the lawyer had come with the court orders of catching her son and searching their house? How did she react?
Ma'am, may I?
Jigyasa. Okay, Jigyasa, answer.
Ma'am, firstly, the woman was impressed and then she retired into the kitchen and
Yes.
seized an iron
Yes.
from the old-fashioned stove and marched and shout on them.
Yes. So Oliver's mother reacted very fiercely. She reacted very fiercely. She was very, very angry. And she went into the kitchen as Bill had described her as a terror. Oliver's mother was really a terror. Oliver's mother was really a terror. She went into the kitchen and she took the old iron from the stove and then she threatened that I will burn you. If you don't want to get burnt, then you come and search the house. If you don't mind getting burnt first. Very few of you are answering my questions. Just Sarika and Jigyasa answered. Why? I want everyone to be active. So, Oliver's mother, as Bill Magnuson had described Oliver's mother as being a terror, she was really a terror. जैसे ही बिल ने बताया कि कोर्ट के तरफ से ऑर्डर आया है ओलिवर के घर को सर्च करने का और ओलिवर को पकड़ने का, immediately what he did, she went into the kitchen. उसने किचन के स्टोव से एक लोहा निकाला और उसने कहा कि अगर कोई उसके घर को सर्च करेगा तो पहले वो उसको जला देगी. तो जैसे बिल ने डिस्क्राइब किया था, ओलिवर की माँ जो है सचमुच ही एक टेरर थी. Oliver's mother was really a terror. And then they returned, frightened retreat. लॉयर और बिल जो है वो तुरंत वापस हो गए डर से. रिट्रीट, लेट अस गेट आउट ऑफ हियर, शी विल मर्डर अस. बिल ने कहा कि अगर हम लोग जल्दी यहाँ से नहीं निकले तो ओलिवर की माँ जो है हम लोग दोनों को मार देगी. शी विल मर्डर अस, बिल विस्पर्ड. Outside he said, did you see her smile? She was laughing at us. And Oliver's mother was very amused to see them smiling. I agreed that it was pretty disrespectful treatment. तो लॉयर जो था वो बिल्कुल भी इस ट्रीटमेंट से खुश नहीं था. हाँ, वो तो कोर्ट का ऑर्डर लेके आया था. And he was treated so disrespectfully. Somehow they were able to search. वो घर जो था वो ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं था, बस एक फ्लोर का घर था. स्टोरे मीन्स फ्लोर. So the house was just one floor high. So they were able to search it. Bill went round it, peering at all the windows. We examined the barn, the stable. I told you yesterday the meaning of barn. What is the meaning of barn? Barn का meaning क्या बताया था? Yesterday I told you
Small river. Small
the
river.
meaning. हाँ?
Small river.
Barn is a place where grains are stored. Granary, अनाज घर. A place where grains are stored. Granary, जहाँ अनाज रखा जाता है स्टोर करके. तो हर जगह उन्होंने खोजा, but they was not able to find. And then finally the lawyer decided to return back. 6-7 घंटा जो है लगातार बिल को खोजते रहे, लेकिन जहां कहीं भी जाते तो पता चलता कि बिल को, ओलिवर को खोजते रहे. बिल एंड द लॉयर, they continuously searched Oliver Lutkins for about 8 hours, but they were not successful in finding him. Wherever they went, जहां कहीं भी वो ओलिवर को खोजने जाते तो वहां पता चलता कि वो 5 मिनट पहले ही वहां से निकला है. तो थक के जो नरेटर वापस अपने टाउन जाने लगे. Returning to catch the afternoon train. So the narrator was not successful in finding Oliver Lutkins, and finally he decided to catch the afternoon train, and Bill drove him to the station. On the way to the city, I worried very little. The lawyer was not at all upset that he was not able to find Lutkins. Why? Because he passed a very good time. He passed a very good time with Bill. So he was just thinking about Bill Magnuson. Really, I considered returning to New Mullion to practice law. और लॉयर को न्यू मुलियन जो है इतना पसंद आया कि वो सोचने लगे कि यहीं आके क्यों नहीं लॉ का प्रैक्टिस करें. बिल ने न्यू मुलियन के लोगों के बारे में इतना अच्छा डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया, सारे लोग इतने अच्छे हैं. तो if I had found Bill so deep and richly human, so the lawyer was very impressed with the nature of Bill. He was so human, so helpful, kind. इतना मदद किया ओलिवर को खोजने में. Might I not grow to love Fritz and Gustav and 100 other slow-spoken, simple, wise neighbors? So, what did the lawyer start thinking? लॉयर सोचने लगे कि न्यू मुलियन के लोग इतने अच्छे हैं, अगर बिल इतना अच्छा हो सकता है तो बाकी लोग भी अच्छे होंगे. गुस्टाफ बार्बर भी अच्छा ही होगा, फ्रिट्स दुकान वाला भी अच्छा ही होगा. So he thought that if he has so good, wise, simple neighbors, if he lives in New Mullion, he will enjoy his life. I pictured an honest and happy life beyond the strict limits of universities and law firms. Here, firm means company. Firm means company. So he thought that life in the village of New Mullion will be better than in the town. I had found a treasure. I had discovered a new way of life. Who who does he refer to as treasure? कौन सा खजाना मिल गया था नरेटर को? What does the narrator refer to as treasure? Anybody answer? जिज्ञासा ट्रेजर किसको कहा गया है? नरेटर के लिए यहाँ क्या खजाना मिल गया उनको?
Ma'am, new way of to live a new way of life.
Okay, here treasure. Okay, treasure means the good people and the good place of New Mullion. That is the treasure for him. Good people and good place like New Mullion. जहाँ के लोग इतने अच्छे हैं, जहाँ सारे लोग इतने अच्छे हैं, वो उनके लिए एक खजाना जैसा है. I discovered a new way of life, but if I did not think much about Lutkins, the office did. He was not at all upset. He had a good time. He enjoyed such a nice time having a ride in Bill Magnuson's horse cart, seeing all the beautiful sceneries, and just so much of entertainment he had with Bill Magnuson. हाँ, तो नरेटर को बिल्कुल भी अफसोस नहीं था कि ओलिवर लुटकिंस को वो खोज नहीं पाए, क्योंकि इतना अच्छा समय बिताया बिल के साथ. टांगा में 6-8 घंटा राइड किया, सुंदर सुंदर दृश्य देखे. तो नरेटर को बिल्कुल अफसोस नहीं था, लेकिन ऑफिस वाले को तो ऑफिस वाले लोग को तो अच्छा नहीं लगा कि ओलिवर को वो खोज के नहीं ला पाए. ऑफिस डिड. आई फाउंड देम ऑल अपसेट. Next morning, the case was coming up in the court. Everyone was very concerned because Oliver was wanted in the case that was coming up next morning. I was a shameful, useless fool. ऑफिस के लोग जो है उससे बहुत गुस्सा हो गए एक तरह से. All of them thought that he was a useless person. एक आदमी को पकड़ के लाने का काम दिया गया, वो भी नहीं कर पाया. So the narrator was not at all upset not being able to find Oliver, but the people at the office, they were very angry with him. He was not successful in bringing back the single person that he had been told to, Oliver Lutkins. And his promising legal career almost came to an end before it had begun. ऐसा लगा कि उनको नौकरी से ही निकाल दिया जाएगा. He felt as if his career had come to an end because he was not successful in his work. He had got the work of catching Oliver Lutkins and he was not successful. So he thought as if his career will come to an end. अगर वो ठीक से अपना काम नहीं करेंगे तो ऑफिस से निकाल दिया जाएगा. Before it had begun, the chief almost murdered him. His boss was very angry. Boss was very angry with him. He hinted that I might do well at digging ditches. बॉस ने एक तरह से क्या कहा लॉयर को कि तुम किसी काम के लायक नहीं हो, तुम बस गड्ढे खोद सकते हो. तुम लॉयर का काम नहीं कर सकते हो, तुम बस गड्ढे खोदने के लिए अच्छे हो. तो एक तरह से इंसल्ट किया बॉस ने लॉयर का, क्योंकि वो ओलिवर लुटकिंस को नहीं खोज के ला पाए. आई वॉज ऑर्डर्ड बैक टू न्यू मुलियन. दोबारा बोला गया कि वापस जाओ और खोज के लाओ. सो lawyer was sent again to New Mullion, and with me went a man who had worked with Lutkins. तो एक्सक्यूज दिया होगा लॉयर ने कि उसने लुटकिंस को देखा ही नहीं था, तो कैसे पकड़ के लाता. तो he gave the excuse that he had not seen Lutkins, that is why he was not able to find him. So this time he went along with a person who had worked with Lutkins. इस बार जो उसको न्यू मुलियन भेजा गया, तो एक आदमी और उनके साथ थे जिन्होंने लुटकिंस के साथ काम किया था. आई वॉज rather sorry because it would prevent my loafing. Loafing means roaming here and there. ऑथर को बहुत अफसोस लग रहा था. इस बार जो है वो बिल के साथ इधर उधर नहीं घूम सकते हैं, क्योंकि इस बार ऑफिस का एक और आदमी साथ था. roaming here and there. So this time this time the lawyer was very upset because he will not get the chance to go here and there with Bill. When the train arrived at New Mullion, Bill was on the station. Bill तो वही डिलीवरी मैन का काम करते थे. तो दूसरी बार जब वो न्यू मुलियन पहुंचे तो बिल फिर स्टेशन पे मिल गया, नियर हिज कार्ट. Strangely enough, the old tigress. Who is the old tigress? Lutkin's mother. इस बार जो है स्टेशन पे बिल भी था और लुटकिंस की माँ, 9 feet tall, 4 feet wide, and the lady who was a terror, जिसने आयरन से दोनों को जलाने के लिए भी थ्रेटन किया था, was there talking and laughing with Bill, not quarreling at all. So he saw a strange scene, as you can see in the picture. This is Bill's mother. ये Oliver's mother. Of course, इतना तो picture में. This is Oliver's mother, and this is Bill. You can see in the picture Bill, Oliver's mother, then lawyer, and his colleague. From the train steps, I pointed Bill out to my companion and said, "There is a fine fellow, a real man." तो जैसे ही बिल को देखा तो उसने बोला अपने कंपेनियन को, ऑफिस के कंपेनियन को, लॉयर ने बोला कि सी देयर इज बिल, ही इज सच अ वंडरफुल मैन, रियल मैन, आई स्पेंड द डे विथ हिम. उसने बोला कि पिछले बार जब मैं आया था तो पूरे दिन इसने मुझे हेल्प किया. तो वो जो कंपेनियन उसका था वो बहुत आश्चर्य हो गया. ही हेल्प्ड यू हंट फॉर ऑलिवर लुटकिन. तो उसने कहा कि यही आदमी तुमको खोजने में मदद किया था. यस, ही हेल्प्ड मी अ लॉट. ही मस्ट हैव. ही इज लुटकिंस हिमसेल्फ. नाउ दिस इज द क्लाइमैक्स ऑफ द स्टोरी. व्हाट डू वी फाइंड आउट? बिल इज लुटकिंस. हाँ, बिल ने पिछले बार पूरे लॉयर को बेवकूफ बनाया. हाँ, कैसे बेवकूफ बनाया? वो खुद ही लुटकिंस था और लॉयर को जो है पूरे दिन पूरे गांव में चक्कर लगवाया, क्योंकि उसको पता था कि बातचीत से जो है बिल को पता लग गया कि उसने कभी लुटकिंस को देखा नहीं है, और इसी बात का फायदा उठा के उसने लॉयर को पूरा दिन बेवकूफ बनाया. वो खुद ही लुटकिंस था और लुटकिंस को इधर उधर खोज रहा था. What really hurt me was that when I served the summons, Lutkins and his mother laughed at me as though I were a bright boy of 7. Now, when he served the summons, when he served the court orders, what happened? अब तो पता चल गया लुटकिंस और उसकी माँ को कि अब वो बच नहीं सकते. तो they begged us. This time they did not protest at all. With loving kindness, they begged me to go with them to a neighbor's house for a cup of coffee. So this time what offer he was given by Lutkins and his mother? That why don't you come and have cup of coffee? एक पड़ोसी जो है वो आपको देखने के लिए बहुत ईगर हैं, तो उनके साथ आके आप एक कप कॉफी पीजिए. I told them about you and they are anxious to look at you. बिल और उसकी माँ ने बताया लॉयर के बारे में और वो मिलना चाहते हैं. बिल के नेबर जो हैं वो लॉयर से मिलना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि वो जो है देख नहीं पाए पिछले बार लॉयर को. दे आर एंशियस, ईगर टू लुक एट यू, ईगर टू मीट यू. वो भी देखना चाहते होंगे कि किस आदमी को जो है उन लोगों ने बेवकूफ बनाया पूरे दिन. Eager to meet you, said Lutkins joyfully. They are about the only folks in the town that missed seeing you yesterday. Folk means men, people. So, पिछले बार, the previous time when the lawyer had come to find Lutkins, they had taken a ride in the whole village. So all the villagers of New Mullion had seen the lawyer. Only one person hadn't seen. That was Bill's neighbor, and he was eager to meet him. So Bill's mother said, "Why don't you go and have a coffee with our neighbor? He wants to meet you because he missed seeing you the previous time." Okay, did you understand the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो कैसे बिल ने इस बात का फायदा उठाया कि लॉयर जो है वो ओलिवर को कभी देखा नहीं है. जब उसको पता चला तो उसने अपना प्लान बना के he earned lot of money also, and he fooled the lawyer also. But in spite of all these qualities, the lawyer seems to admire Bill. He does not hate him. He might be a little dishonest, but yet he is good at heart. The lawyer thinks so. Okay. Question answers. Word meanings: hack, a horse-drawn vehicle, agreeable sight, pleasant sight. Poker. Poker is a card game जो लुटकिंस खेला करता था. Honestly, seriously. Creek. Creek is a river, short river. When the lawyer reached New Mullion, did Bill know that he was looking for Lutkins? Did Bill know that he was looking for Lutkins? When do you
Yes,
think
ma'am.
Bill came up with his plan for fooling the lawyer? Who will answer? Mimansa?
Ma'am,
Mimansa, can you hear me? One answer.
ma'am,
Okay, Jigyasa, answer.
ma'am, when Bill comes to know that the lawyer didn't see the Litkins, then he came up with his plan for for fooling the lawyer.
Yes, very good. When when he came to know that, when Bill came to know that that the lawyer had not seen Lutkins. Then he made a plan of fooling the lawyer. जैसे ही स्टेशन लॉयर पहुंचे तो फर्स्ट person whom he met was the delivery man, that is Bill, and he told him the purpose of his coming. The first person he met was Bill, and he shared with Bill the purpose of his coming, and immediately Bill came to understand that this man has not seen Oliver, and then he made a plan, he gave the false introduction. वो खुद ही ओलिवर था लेकिन उसने झूठ बोला कि उसका नाम बिल है. So in this way he made a plan immediately for fooling the lawyer. He earned money and also had a good time with him. Okay, we'll end our class here. बाकी questions अगले class में discuss कर देंगे. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye all of you. To tell
Thank you,
your
ma'am.
friends to attend the class. ये 10D में इतना कम क्यों attendance आ रहा है?